Tell me what y'all think about this clip here. This is Joe Biden coughing in his hand. Okay, this is the leader of the free world, supposedly. And this man is not wearing a mask, coughing in his hand, right? And basically shaking hands with other people. So check this out, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to play this clip real quick. A fair warning, it's disturbing. One more time. And to be honest, ladies and gentlemen, to be honest, right? You know what? Screw the Rona at this point. I don't even care if you're coughing in your hand, Rona or no Rona, pandemic or no pandemic, you're coughing in your hand and you come to shake the other hands of men and women in the crowd on national TV with no mask on. You're a pro-masker. People are laughing at us. Straight up. I know I am. I'm laughing at this buffoon at this point. Straight up. Coughing in your hand and shaking the hands of many. What's wrong with this man? Somebody come get your grandfather straight up. Yeah, his hair legit grosses me out too. Great point. I'm going to zoom in on that. Look at this man's head. Oh my goodness. Look at this man's head, y'all. Isn't that really weird? Oh man, I'm not trying to make fun of old people or elderly people, but this man got the Crypt Keeper crew cut, y'all. Straight up. This man has the hairdo from hell at this point, ladies and gentlemen. Who would vote for this man? Based on this man's hair, who would even vote for this man at this point, y'all? Straight up. You know, the Don had the beautiful golden hair. This man has a Crypt Keeper crew cut, and he coughs in his hands in the middle of a pandemic, not wearing a mask, shaking the hands of many. And somebody on Instagram said, well, you know, it's not a big deal because he gets tested every day for corona. That's not the point. That's not the point. Straight up. Yeah, exactly, Sonya. They made fun of Trump's hair, but this is apparently perfect. Yeah, right. This clone over here, right? In the middle of a pandemic, he coughs in his hand. He's not wearing a mask, and he's shaking hands with people in the crowd on national television, walking around with the Crypt Keeper crew cut. That's what I call it, ladies and gentlemen. How sickening. 81 million votes, right? 81 million votes. Hogwash.